Show me the
Today we're gonna be making a video on shooting. So
Yay! Let's get into it. Got the Cooper box. I'm reflection box. I'm reflection box. I'm sticker box. By the way, not copyright.
in the words of Ethan Tate.
Monga, you know this is coming on tape, right? The little crazy guys.
No.
Okay. I need to do some shooting practice.
Blood is recording.
कोई practice नहीं मिलेगा.
Hey guys, this is how naturally he is.
Guys, Arjun made me sleep on a hard carpet all night. He wanted to, okay? I did. Not my problem.
What a shot! What a shot! What a miss, bro. What a miss.
What?
What a miss.
To say?
What a miss.
What'd you say?
What a miss. What a miss. What a miss, bro. What a miss. What a miss. Why is bro touching me? Why are you touching me?
Are you untouched?
Hey.
Guys,
I
we're coming back in a
just.
short break.
The technique. Position the ball in whatever position your hand in the camera. Position the ball. Look where you want to shoot. What are you showing them my muscles? You want to slice it. So slice it from here. Extreme bottom edge.
Guys, I taught that to Arjun. Actually,
No, he
before,
didn't.
no, before you didn't know how to even like lift the ball properly.
Yeah, now I'm better at it than you, cause you're.
No,
Hey,
no,
hey,
no,
but you are.
nope,
Oh,
nope.
But you're.
Mm.
Bro doesn't even know what level of he is. And you need to shoot with this part. Oh my god, did you just. Yes.
Nah.
No. Hey, cut man.
What? Why should I cut?
That was your tutorial on
How to shoot properly.
now. If it's a bit hard for you, aim wise or whatever, jump up on lift off. Jump and lift off upon impact. Yes, thank you, Rajsa.
That's
Hey guys, if you are beginners, go join Lemon Break.
very
Rajsa
good.
will help you out.
Ratsa's your man. Man.
Tell him Monga sent you.
Yes. He'll be very happy to get extra business.
Now it doesn't really matter how much it will lift off. That just depends on how much power you put. So like now, if I want like this, I'll go like. It's in the next society, but who cares? It's like if I want like that, big lift off. If I wanted to go higher, big lift off power. If I wanted to go lower, big lift off less power. Stuff like that. I'm gonna go get the ball now. Side volley. I don't show the license plate.
Side volley. Attempt number 1. Attempt number 2.
Everything doesn't happen first try, okay? Look at what I'm using to give me a layoff.
Let's look at this guy.
It's a bloody wall. Not even as big as my calf.
I'm sure it's because your calf, Munga. I'm saying sideways.
Oh, shit.
Lengthwise, not breadth. He managed it, but just didn't get the volley part. You got the side part, not the volley part. Like,
Okay, I've set up the camera while Lazy Master 5 million is wasting some time. No, it's a no bounce volley. Okay, Lazy Master, give me the layoff or something. Come here, put the ball in the air. Lazy Master.
hey,
Oh, don't you dare let it go there.
I've done this thingy before, guys. I've played these games before. Totally not copyright.
I want my chick, white chick. I want money. What kind of a Just put it in the air, man. With your hand. Much better. But it can be done even better. Because this guy just throws it at my shin nowadays. Oh, what? Come on. Come on. No. Better, bro. You have to. Don't put it so fast towards you. Put it in the air. I'll handle it from there. Give it that air time. See? Then I can actually connect with it. Give it that air time. Hold on.
Guys, totally family friendly.
Put it in the air.
That was slow. That was very slow and very high.
Okay.
Bobby Firmino.
Yeah, that was pretty much good enough, I guess. So now I'll show you the technique, I guess. The technique and the outcome. Technique. Don't use your laces. It's not gonna end up good. You see this part right here, just between your boot and the starting of your foot. It's like the angle, right? The vertex.
The 90 angle.
Yeah, the vertex.
The 90-degree angle.
It has to connect with the ball. Now, try and position your foot on this part of the ball, like this. Like this. Give you straighter shot, more power. Sometimes, like in that last shot you all saw, if it's a bit too high and you just have to take that shot and you're already in power, it will go really high. So just use.
But I mean, guys, just for information, if you also get a high shot like that, wait, Moha, can you hold the camera once? No. Please hold it. Oh. If the ball comes high, you can hit it over here, because most people on a volley, if this is my ball, how it's coming down, they'll hit it here to give it height. But if it's very high already and you need it to go lower, it's better if you hit it like in the middle. But that takes a lot of
Precision.
and timing.
Nah, bro doesn't know English. Guys, bro shot is worse than my grandma, and she actually plays. So what, you think a defender will just let you take the shot? No way, bro. Actually, just missed that. That was literally the easiest setup ever.
Recording.
I threw the ball.
Wonderful! Womp, 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 womp.
This is how Aliush looks on a daily basis.
What? What is that for? Huh? Why the hand in your nose?
Because that's what you do.
No, I don't.
Guys, hey look.
Hala!
Really? In the middle of this shot, hala, I'm like, hey, hala, Madri.
Guys, don't you dare talk about Real Madrid versus Real Betis. Low taper faded.
So that power.
Low taper faded. Stop! Low taper faded. Low. So guys,
My thank you. We leave now. We want play Fortnite.
yes guys. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the
comments what we should
video. Yeah.
make a video on next. If you don't,
guys.
if you don't give us a suggestion, I will literally start picking out my subscribers. I know you're there, Chanel. So I will literally pick them out and ask them.
Guys, so we will see you on the next video.
Where we will probably
Yeah.
be waiting upon your choice.
Yes.
Oh,
So
and
please do. Wait, do we have?
And-
Have you unlocked the comment section?
The what?
Have you unlocked the comment section for the video channel?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, make sure you comment. Give us some ideas. Next time we will make a shout out as well.
And here's a shot to end it all.
Yeah, guys. Talkpot, 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 talkpot. Talkpot, talkpot. Ashley, don't look at him. Ashley, look at me. Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, that was a
The guy, that was very shit. Okay. Thank you.